everyone, I'm Jack. Follow the camera today, and let's check out the benchmark for the garment industry upgrading in Anhui Lianyao Digital Demonstration Factory. This demonstration factory is built with full efforts by Wu Qimei, Jack's general agent in Fuyang, Anhui. It is specially built for numerous small and medium garment factories in Anhui to create a visible, learnable, and replicable digital intelligent manufacturing model. The whole factory relies on the full scenario digital capabilities of Jack SmartLink Master to directly break down data silos between warehousing and production, and interconnect three major systems: WMS, WCS, and side forklift dispatching system. Material inbound and outbound data are synchronized with the MES system in real time. Inventory dynamics are clearly visible. With precise traceability, it fundamentally solves the material mix-ups, material shortages, and stagnant material problems plaguing many garment factories, and realizes integrated intelligent control of production sales materials. It is also equipped with Spirit-Tape AI kitting technology. Fabrics and accessories are managed intelligently in separate zones. The system automatically locates materials and carries out intelligent allocation. Warehousing operations run autonomously with manpower-saving operation. Material scheduling and circulation are fast and accurate, basically achieving zero errors. Warehousing space utilization is doubled directly. Material search efficiency increases by 80%. Intelligent manufacturing upgrading starts with breakthroughs at the cutting source. The cutting room is equipped with intelligent cutting tables and spreading machines, saying goodbye to overcrowded staff. Randomly stacked fabrics and messy cut pieces in traditional cutting rooms. It stably produces standardized cut pieces. Fabric utilization rate rises by over 3%. Rework caused by cutting defects is reduced to zero, firmly guarding the first quality checkpoint of production, and laying a solid foundation for downstream sewing processes. Follow the camera to the template processing area. Digital management is fully implemented at all workstations across the factory. Production work orders, working hour statistics, and quality inspection data are synchronized in real time. Production management efficiency increases by 30%. Supported by Lightning AI distribution technology, while maintaining high efficiency, it effectively avoids fabric wrinkling, bumping and loss. With the full cane circulation system of intelligent hanger, plus automatic sorting, the production rhythm of the entire workshop is precisely adjusted. Inventory online is cut by 80% directly. Production line balance rate rises by 20%. Overall production capacity increases by 30%. It perfectly fits the current, much-needed flexible quick response model in the garment industry. As a locally operated SmartLink model factory in Anhui, Lianyao has fully implemented and practically verified Jack SmartLink solution. Empowered by one-stop complete SmartLink Master, Lianyao Apparel achieves stable high-quality delivery and has successfully obtained long-term orders from many well-known brands, such as Fila, XTEP, and Peacebird. Orders from high-end brands grow by 20%. Garment factory owners in Anhui planning digital transformation should not miss this model factory. You are welcome to visit and learn on site. Which factory would you like to see in the next episode? Feel free to leave a comment. Jack will arrange it.